some Panera bread for breakfast before I go to work. I wanted to show y'all my bag. Changed my bag out. I got my cute little charms. So cute. I got cute and a half Chipotle avocado milk sandwich. So this is it here. I'll see y'all later. Wedding cake and 2 pink vanillas. I should have tried strawberry cheesecake. I got Leah and one of those pink ones Leah's and the rest of them are mine. My gorgeous server today. I got some red beans, dirty rice, and mashed potato, and blackened salmon. On my old stomping grounds, honey. I'm about to go run in here and see what they got in DD's. DD's got some stuff. I ain't been here in a while, but I think I'm gonna get this collagen rolls. Got a whole aisle full of retinol, collagen, 24 karat gold collagen, hyaluronic acid and collagen, vitamin C and collagen. They doing it up. They got some good momos, so I'm gonna find me a cute little momo. Yes. Hey y'all. I've been so busy. I am behind on my vlogging. Well, behind on my posting because I've been vlogging. I just haven't been posting. Today I had so much going on. I had to leave work early, go meet Aaliyah, come back. Then I'm on this side, so I stopped at DD's. I gotta show y'all all the stuff I got from DD's. And I went to Rainbow. And when I leave here, I'm going to Zales. I still gotta go home and pack for my little mini vacay. And because I leave early in the morning, so I gotta get up at 5 a.m. leave. And I gotta finish packing so I can move out of my apartment. So everything, all the things. So I'll see y'all later. Okay, let me show y'all what I got. Since I'm on this side, I had to stop at Calliope's. They don't have many good food places on my side. So I got some fried shrimp and some fries. They fried shrimp is good. And kind of with a coleslaw. But what I always get is the fried rice. They don't have no good fried rice places on my side. That's why I'm glad I'm moving back to Houston. I got shrimp and chicken fried rice. And I got some spicy tartar sauce. And I got some jalapenos. So this is like my favorite fried rice. And I am a rice person, if y'all haven't noticed already. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of this and I'm gonna go to Zales because they have this. Zales has a sale. First of all, Zales has a sale going on today for 30% off. So I want to make sure because I'm gonna get some more of my earrings. I got the white gold studs and my 2 upper holes in my ear. The white gold studs. So I'm gonna get some gold studs. And they have this pretty heart-shaped, what is it? A heart-shaped ruby necklace. A real ruby heart-shaped necklace. And I'm going to get it because I feel like it's sentimental for me. Like, biblical. You know my worth is far more than rubies. Beautiful ruby heart-shaped necklace, and I'm on my way over there to get it before they close. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of my food here, and then I'm gonna head over there and get that necklace, and go home, pack, and do all the things I need to do. So I'll see y'all. Okay, let me show y'all what I got. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Rainbow. I got some little cute winter sweaters. I got this cute look how freaking cute this sweater is. It's so cute, and it fits like that V where you have a little bit of shoulder if you want. It's super cute. It's like a midi sweater. This thing was not cheap either at Rainbow. $29.97, $30 at Rainbow. Baby, Rainbow getting a little out of control. I ain't been in there in a while, but dang. Then I got this cute little Valentine's sweater. This is so cute. I know it ain't Valentine's yet, but yes, it's like it's a midi sweater too, and it was so cute. I just couldn't resist. This one was just, I think it was just 16. No, I paid 30 for this one too. Dang. Shoot, I might need to take one of them back. I thought I paid $16 for that. Shoot. And I got this cute little white top to go under if I need, if I need to wear it underneath. Okay, let me show y'all what I got from DD's. I'm going on a spending fast, like a shopping fast, because I've been out of control. I got this little purple shirt here. It's like for me to wear to the business. Little office sweater. This one is cute. I tried it on. And I got me some muumuus. I got some cute muumuus. Look at this. Look how freaking cute. And it look even cuter on. I got this one. $6.99. How much this one was? This top was $5.99. I got another muumuu. All these muumuus are super cute. Very cute. This one is $5.99 for this cute one here. So freaking cute. And then I got two more. I got this one. This one was $7.99. And then I got this one. This one was $5.99. I got a little one like this. Lil talking about she need her one. So she got one of them. Then I got some little sleeping little top and bottom. This is cute too. This was $7.99 for this two-piece. I got a cute little headscarf. Cute headscarf, honey. Cute headscarf. I gotta fix it. So it's gonna be real cute when I wear it with some blue jeans. Yeah. And I got this cute little cherry two-piece. I had already got one from Amazon the other day. It just came in. But I was like, shoot, I might as well have another one. But this is a little cherry two-piece set. I got this one from DD's today, and it was only $9.99 with these pants. Let me show you the one that I got from Amazon. Oh, and I'm happy that the Amazon one is different from the one I got, because I didn't know for sure when I bought it. The one from DD's. This is the one from Amazon. It's like a t-shirt. The one from Amazon, what did I say? This one came from Amazon with the little t-shirt, and this one came from DD's. So they both are like a little pant set, and they're two different colors, so I'm happy about that. So let me show you, y'all. Let me give y'all the comparison. There's the top. Oh. So this one is the one. This one is the one from DD's. It's like a spaghetti strap, and it's like a purple color. And this is the one from Amazon. It's like a t-shirt, real cute. So that's it. I'll add that cherry two-piece on my Amazon storefront, so y'all can shop it if y'all want. I got these cute little linen pants with the pockets. Very, very cute on. Oh, what else? Oh, I got these chargers. You can never run out of chargers. $6.99. This has like 4 different kinds of chargers. Then these pants also were $8.99. These cute linen pants. I got some velvet makeup sponges. I got this shimmer glowing serum. It has like a little shimmer in there. And then I got this hyaluronic and collagen serum right there. This is a nighttime cream. I got this St. Ives exfoliating toner. This one was $2.99 and this one was $5.99. This one here, the shimmer one, was $5.99. And this is the last thing here. This collagen and rose serum. Of course I got it. Look at the bottle. It's gonna look so cute up on my thing in the restroom. So yeah. Oh, and I got some more shoes from I got some more Sambas. This time I got the blue jean looking ones because I'm like, I need some to wear with my jeans. So I got these. In the store they look like more blue jean, and in the box they look blue. I'm like, why they look more blue jean in the store? Here they look like this blue. And he was like, well, they change once you go in the sun, or if they've been sitting out, they change. So I'm gonna let them sit out because I want them to be that jean color. Right now they look like they're like too blue, like super duper blue. So I'm gonna leave them out because I want them to turn, but I got these to go with my denim. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Zales. I kind of already, maybe not, I don't know. But I am going on a fast. I've been a little bit out of control with my spending. I need to slow down, but God loved me so much. God loved me. I'm one of his favorites. So let me show y'all what I got. Let me show y'all the smallest thing first. Okay, so first I got me some studs, some gold 14 karat gold studs. I got the ones that was in my ear clean because I always get my studs from Zales. I tried to get some from TJ Maxx, but they did not work for my ear. So I gave those to Aaliyah. And they cleaned my studs that I had. Where are they? Before I forget. I be done forgot them. I don't know. Hold up. Okay, so I found my my old ones. So they cleaned them for me. That's one thing that I like about Zales. When you buy your earrings, any jewelry from Zales, they're gonna clean them up for a lifetime. And if you lose one of your diamonds, they'll replace them. So I just had my old studs cleaned. And I got, those are white gold. So I never had any solid gold studs. So that's what I got this time. I got these, I probably can't see, these solid gold studs to go at the very top hole in my ear. And they're 14 karat gold. And I also got this big baby here. Let me show y'all. This is white gold. Y'all can't even see how my diamond's dancing. Okay, so this is white gold. This is 1 carat diamonds. And it's so freaking cute. I was like, do I need it? Do I not? I don't want nobody to think I'm engaged, but it was so cute. I love hearts and butterflies, so it was right up my alley. And it looks so cute on my finger. Look at that. So 1 carat diamonds, white gold, very cute. Ouch. And I got this. This is the real reason that I came over there today. And then I end up getting other stuff. So This is what I got. I got this ruby heart necklace, and I added this chain. It did not come with this chain, so I got this chain separately. But it looks so much better with this chain because it came with one of those little thin chains. I ain't like this chain. So this is the chain that it came with, one of these little thin chains like that. But I end up switching it out and getting this one. So it's a ruby necklace. So freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. You know my worth is far more than rubies. So I'll see y'all next time. I hope y'all watch my next vlogs. Next time y'all see me on my little vacay, my mini little vacay. I'll see y'all. See y'all soon.